Meet Bob, Bob Monkey. Bob live in America jungle. Use America leaf every day. One day Bob want to travel to Germany jungle, which uses the euro. Bob try to swap his leaves, but when Bob tries to exchange his money, he finds that one America leaf is equal to only 90 cents euro. Bob confused. Then Bob go to Vietnam jungle. One America leaf worth 25,000 Vietnam dong. Bob Monkey blinks. Wait, hold on. Why does money have different values? Why isn't one America leaf equal to 1 euro and 1 dong? And why do exchange rates keep changing every second? But first, history time. Put on your thinking leaf. Long time ago, money tied to shiny rock, gold. Call it gold standard. Monkey say, I have gold. I print leaves. That keep things stable. Monkey cannot just print. Need more gold first. Then economies grow. Wars happen. Gold hard to find. By 1970s, monkeys switched to new system. Call it fiat money. What fiat money? Fiat money worth something because governments say so, and monkeys believe. No gold behind it. Just trust. Some monkeys call it fake money. Mr. Bananas points a hairy finger. Value of fiat money? Supply and demand? Many monkeys want it. Value go up? Nobody want it. Value go down. That why America leaf strong. Many monkeys want. Venezuela jungle money? Nobody want. Not even Venezuelan monkeys. So, 5 big reasons money different. First reason, inflation. Inflation when money lose value. Too many leaves chasing too few bananas. You seen my video about inflation? Go watch it. But basically, high inflation, currency value drop. Nobody want hold money that shrink. Example, in 2022, 10 America leaf bought 2 loaves of bread. By 2024, 10 America leaf bought only 1 loaf. Same money, less bread. Real monkey example. Zimbabwe jungle in 1980s, Zimbabwe leaf worth more than America leaf. 1 Zimbabwe leaf equal 1.35 America leaf. Then bad stuff happen. Land reform, corruption, sanctions, print money like crazy. By 2000s, 1 America leaf equals 600,000 Zimbabwe leaves. Monkeys gasp.
Huh?
They tried new currency. Then new currency. Finally gave up. Now use America leaf and South Africa rand. Plus 1 point for never giving up, Zimbabwe. Respect. Second reason, interest rate. Mr. Bananas holds up 2 fingers. Interest rate equals cost of borrowing money. Borrow 1,000 leaves at 10%, pay back 1,100 leaves. Central bank set this rate. High interest rate? Foreign monkeys want invest. They buy your currency. Demand go up. Currency stronger. Example, American interest rates are higher than Germany's. Monkeys sell euros and buy dollars to invest in American bonds. Dollar gets stronger. But if American rates fall, investors leave, dollar weakens. But, and this big but, high interest mean borrowing expensive for local monkeys. Less houses, less businesses, more unemployment. So central bank must balance. That why every monkey afraid of this guy when he announce rate. Third reason, country situation and foreign investment. When China jungle open market in 1970s, foreign monkeys rush in. Open factories. Need Chinese yuan to pay workers, buy land, build stuff. Demand for yuan go up. Yuan stronger, but foreign monkeys picky. They want stable government. No sudden tax changes. No protests blocking roads. Stable economy. No crazy inflation. No huge debt. Stable country equals strong currency. Fourth reason, export and import. Japan jungle sell cars to other jungles. Buyers need Japanese yen. Yen demand go up. Japan import coal from Australia jungle. Need Australia dollar. Australia dollar demand go up. Most jungles want export more. Make other monkeys need their currency. Big example. America jungle tell oil jungles like Saudi Arabia, sell oil only in America leaves. Every jungle need oil, so every jungle need America leaves. Boom. America leaf become global currency. Call it Petrodollar. Rumor says Saudi might accept other currencies soon. Maybe another video. Small island jungle like Tuvalu? Nothing to export. They just use America leaf or Australia dollar. Easier. Fifth reason, fixed value. Mr. Bananas holds up 5 fingers. One monkey counts along. Don't want hassle? Peg your currency to stronger currency. Example, Brunei jungle, rich with oil. Peg currency 1-to-1 to Singapore dollar. Same value. Can use Singapore dollar in Brunei, vice versa. Another example, Belize jungle, peg to America leaf. 1 Belize leaf always equal half America leaf. Swap money, just double amount. Easy. But catch. If America leaf falls, Belize leaf falls too. 1 lives, 1 lives. 1 dies, 1 dies. So these are reasons currencies have different values. Young monkey ask,
Why not all monkeys use same currency? No exchange rates? No hassle?
sounds great, but not simple. Look at euro, very convenient for monkeys in Eurozone. Travel across countries without exchanging money. But every monkey country gives up control over its own money to European Central Bank. Country cannot change monetary policy just to fix its own problems because it affects other monkeys. Example, Greece financial crisis 2009. Effects spread to other Eurozone monkeys. Germany not so happy with Greece about this. If all monkeys in world use single currency, very risky. Monkey living best life than face inflation and crisis because monkey thousands of miles away mess up economy. One country's problem equals whole world's problem.
Should we make currency as strong as possible?
Other monkey asked. Mr. Bananas shakes head.
Not really. Import jungle like Singapore? Want strong currency. Make imports cheap. Export jungle like China? Want weak currency. Make products cheap for other jungles. That's why China accused of purposely lowering currency value. Call it devaluation.
Mr. Bananas stands up.
Another video, if you want.
Monkeys clap. One raises hand.
But Mr. Bananas, what about bananas as currency?
Mr. Bananas smiles.
That different story.
Mr. Bananas, you still here? He turns the banana over. America leaf, Germany mark, Vietnam dong, Zimbabwe leaf, Chinese yuan, Singapore dollar, Belize dollar. All these leaves, all these numbers, up, down, up, down. He peels the banana slowly. But you know what monkey really need? He takes a bite. Banana. Not 100 leaves banana. Not 50 leaves banana. Not banana you buy just to sell to other monkey tomorrow. Just banana. You eat. You full. Life good.